What's up, guys? Real quick, I wanted to update you guys about this GBP trade that I'm in right now. As you guys can see, I'm actually currently flowing down in profit. Alright, guys, so currently price have found a resistance right here. As you can see, this zone right here on the 1 hourly. The reason I got it marked up is on the 1 hourly. It was respected. As you can see, it was the last low that has been broken. So for now, this is a downtrend, so I have to respect this resistance right here, the lowest low that has been broken by price. So what I've done is I'm going to move my stop loss right now. I'm going to move my stop loss just below the 0.5 retracement zone, and if prices come back through that zone, then I will know that prices are actually going down to break this low also. So that's currently what is up, guys. I'll be updating you guys on how this trade goes. Alright, guys, so prices just broke out of my zone, so I'm gonna be eliminating this fib tool right now. So I'm going to be trailing my stop loss right there below the structure that led to the break of that resistance, which acted as support. As you can see right there, guys, this was a former support, so it was acting as resistance. So prices just broke out of it, so I've trailed my stop loss right there. So let's wait and see what this trade actually does. Yes sir, welcome back to the channel. So my trade just hit take profit, as you guys can see. Yeah, so man, so the week has begun incredibly. As you guys can see, this was a 12 to 1, and yeah, basically this is what this channel is all about. So if you're interested in catching trades like this, make sure you stay tuned to this channel, guys, and I'll see you guys in the strategy breakdown. Yes sir. All right guys, so the breakdown. So let me first eliminate this case, but literally this was a beautiful GBP trade, and I'm always catching trades like this on GBP. I mainly trade GBP. So as you guys can see, you're basically risking $100 to make $1,200. Like literally, where will you find this with proper risk management? But let's not talk too much, because this is usual stuff, guys. This is usual stuff. So let me get down into the strategy breakdown. So let me first eliminate this, guys. So first things first, let's go on to the 4 hourly, because I caught this trade from the 4 hourly what time frame. So as you can see on the 4 hourly, I had my trend line drawn up. As you guys can see, this was the trend line right here, and this was actually a valid trend line. Why did I actually choose to use this trend line? You guys can see that it was tested. Let me first brush out that for you guys. It was tested once, twice, and then thrice, 4 times, and then 5 times. Sorry about that. 5 times, and then this was the 6th time. What's wrong? 6th time right there, as you guys can see. So that was the 6th time. So I was waiting for prices, because actually so like this was a downtrend on the hourly, but then if you got the clearer view of the bigger picture, you can see that prices are actually forming higher lows, higher highs, some higher highs, but not that frequently, but then forming higher lows all over. So giving me higher lows, I know that this is an uptrend. So I had my bias, which was bullish coming into this week. So I got onto the hourly. I was looking for a divergence on this trade, and I didn't get no trade, because I didn't get no divergence on the hourly. So I went on the 5 minutes. So first remove this, guys. On the 5 minute, guess what I saw? So I was on the 5 minute, and look at this RSI. If you guys know what an RSI is, basically RSI is relative strength index. Yeah, an RSI is a diverging tool. So basically what it does, it shows you where is the momentum. Is the momentum on the buying side, or is it at the selling side? So our RSI is always beautiful at the resistance or support zone. So as you guys can see, Like literally look at this RSI divergence. We had lower lows on this price action, but then look at the RSI. Literally, where will you find a beautiful divergence like this? But divergence like this always happen. So I looked at this divergence, we're at a trend line, so I was like, so what am I waiting for? Obviously, what am I waiting for now is an entry trigger. So when I saw buying pressure, I actually got in this trade sum on this candle right here, this inverted hammer that you see right here, that inverted hammer right there. Let me zoom in that in for you guys. So this is the inverted hammer that I'm talking about. This is where I got in right here. If I can bring out my long position, I got in somewhere right there, and then I had my stop loss just below this structure. Sorry about that. I got in right here, and then my stop loss was somewhere there. So I got in right here on this inverted hammer right there because I saw buying pressure that was coming into the markets. So I was ready to get in that trade right there. So as you guys saw how I actually managed this trade, I actually showed you guys how I managed this trade. So basically that's how I caught this beautiful trade. So if you guys are interested in videos like this, make sure you hit the like button, man. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another breakdown.